In a historic move, the African National Congress, ANC, has joined forces with three other political parties to form a national unity government in South Africa, including its main adversary, the Pro-Business Democratic Alliance, DA, as reported by the SABC on Friday. This unprecedented coalition also includes the Inkatha Freedom Party, signaling a new era in South African politics. Before we dive into our topic today, if you haven't already, please consider to subscribe to our channels and ringing the bell to be notified about all our exciting future videos. The African National Congress, the Democratic Alliance, and the Inkatha Freedom Party have struck a deal to establish a unity government, and President Cyril Ramaphosa is poised for re-election, marking a significant turn of events after the ANC. Nelson Mandela's ANC party, which has held power since the landmark 1994 elections that ended apartheid, lost its majority in the recent May 29 vote. Intense negotiations over the past 2 weeks have culminated in this unexpected alliance. Tony Leon, former DA leader and part of the negotiation team, confirmed to Reuters that the unity government deal is pretty much there, stating confidently, "It's going to happen." As South Africa's newly elected parliament convenes for its first session, the nation awaits Ramaphosa's likely re-election amid this groundbreaking coalition, as reported by both the SABC and Heimslive. ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula confirmed discussions with opposition parties regarding a government of national unity, GNU, the Democratic Alliance, DA, the Zulu nationalist Inkatha Freedom Party, IFP, and several smaller parties supported the GNU. However, the radical leftist Economic Freedom Fighters, EFF, declined to join. Mbalula noted that despite engaging with the EFF, no agreement was reached, whereas an agreement was secured with the DA. The ANC is also continuing talks with the MK party, which disputes the May 29 election results. Additionally, Zuma's party has threatened to boycott Friday's parliamentary proceedings. Notably, leaders of both the MK and EFF were once part of the ANC, with Julius Malema formerly leading the ANC Youth League and Zuma having served as the ANC leader for a decade. The specifics of the agreement and the policy concessions the ANC made to its new coalition partners remain under wraps. However, the news has already had a positive impact on South Africa's economy, with the rand gaining approximately 0.3% against the dollar. This uptick reflects investor optimism, buoyed by reports from SABC and other local media about the ANC's alliance with the market-friendly DA. Adding to the day's historic significance, Chief Justice Raymond Zondo officially inaugurated the new parliamentary session at 10:00 a.m., 800 GMT, setting the stage for lawmakers to be sworn in. Ramaphosa is anticipated to secure his re-election through a secret ballot of MPs. Following this confirmation, his swearing-in ceremony is slated to take place in Pretoria, tentatively scheduled for June 19. Afterward, he will announce his new cabinet, which will feature members from both his party and the coalition partners. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the New Africa channel for more exciting future videos.